Fix a chattering sliding glass door quick and cheap using pipe thread tape. Okay, here's the track right here that chatters. Got bumps in it. Sliding glass door goes over it and bump, 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 chatters. Now I'm going to put some of this tape over the bumpy parts of this track. This is the tape pushed over the track. Now I slide this over the sliding glass door, and what it does, it'll end up peeling this away. That's okay, that's what I want. See it's starting to wear away? But as it wears away, it stays in these ridges. Teflon tape ends up getting stuck in the ridges. This top layer goes away. That Teflon tape is Teflon. It's tough. It stays in the ridges, and you do this 3 or 4 times with the tape, and it starts building up in the ridges. Yeah, this goes away, but it stays down in the ridges.